So we got our tree with the umbrella stuck up there. And then, as I come around, here is our oasis. We got our spa back here with our canopy up.
That he has restored more than twice.
Yeah, because Brandon threw his away. I'm going to get on him by that. Brandon, you supposed to fix it. I fixed mine, you supposed to fix yours.
So we don't have the screen part of it.
Yeah, I got my screens. I got my screens over here to put up. But we got all of our plants out. We got all our trees.
The jag tore a hole in it. I'm gonna be.
Nah, he ain't did nothing to it.
Babe. He put some holes in it.
No, there's no holes in it. But we got our screens. I ain't put the screens up. I'm gonna put them up eventually. But right now, the mosquitoes ain't been too bad. We got all our trees out here. Chandra here messing with these screens. But we got our evening table.
Backyard.
And to top it off, I told you, Joyce, I'm telling you, and you too, Brendan, you got to get you one of these, man. These inflatable spas are beautiful. And don't forget, oh yeah, go by Home Depot and get this thing right here. It's a mist fan. It plugs into the water and it shoots out a cool mist with the fan. You might want one of those. That makes it beautiful for the hot evenings back down on your porch. Hey. Oh, should I cut it on? Is this on?
No, I'm talking about this.
There's our mist fan. And he blows out the mist, blows out the cold.
Get rid of mosquitoes.
Exactly. And it give you a nice cool breeze back here. I'm actually taking off the cover to our spa.
And it locks so that kids can't get into it. So I unhooked it, baby. You want me to hold the camera while you take it off? Let me
I got it.
you.
It's okay. I got it. I just pull this off. There we go.
I want to see you. I'm going to do you. I'll do you in a video.
So here is our beautiful spa. It seats 6 people. I can stretch all the way across in it easily. Easily.
Clean though, baby.
No, it's fine.
We have to clean it.
There's nothing wrong with it. It's fine. She's a little paranoid when it comes down to the water, but the water's clear. Only thing is, when you look at it, it has the water reflects light, so it looks different. If you get a clean glass of water and you get a clear glass of water, you'll see that the water's pure. I got my little display here. Let me show you all what it does. So it's already got the heat on. I can turn on my bubbles, or I can turn. That's the jets right there, or I can turn on the bubbles. Get your full relaxation. My control pad is wireless, so I hook it on right there. You come out here and you enjoy yourself. Hey, I need your feedback, Joyce. Hey, Brandon, you tell me too. Oh, I got my pillows, got my headrest, and I also got my cup holder. So you got a glass of wine, glass of juice, glass of water. Go ahead and put it on. And of course, I gotta have a beautiful lady in there, boy. So when I throw up in there, I might just throw in there right now. Y'all want to see her get in? Let's throw in there right now. Come on, I'm coming to get you. No, it ain't. I'm gonna throw you in there right now.
What's the temperature on the water right now?
Temperature on the water should be like 101.
Right. So we have the heater going or no?
It's off right now. It'll come on later. Nice. So, y'all ready to come jump in? I want to know. So welcome to the Robinson Oasis. Bye.